just come out for a lovely walk in the Bluebell forest today. It's absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see much of it on here, but I'll try and show you. And it's lucky we came here today because it looks like the Bluebells have just about had their best day, so I think they'll be all gone soon. There's just so many, it's beautiful. And you've already seen a deer, haven't you, since we've been here?
It looks like a really small.
Small deer.
It almost, I think it was a baby.
Yeah.
It was very small, but
Yeah.
Scarlett's constantly picking up big logs. She's found something. Let's go and have a look. Oh, a gnome or fairy's house, she said. That is magical, isn't it?
Yeah, that is very cool. I love it. So cool. I want to go here again. House there. What about this? It looks like it's built. What about down here? There's a gnome's house.
Look, there's his neighbour's one there.
Yeah, there's his neighbour.
probably one at the back.
Whoa,
Look,
look, this is cave, look, over the way. Whoa, tons of people must live in that tree. Or should I say pixies?
Rabbits.
Fairies. Yeah. Not evil.
Wow. Oh my gosh, Mum, that's so cool.
And Honey's taken some pictures of the Bluebells. Those ones are still looking lovely and fresh. And we keep seeing these little dens that have been made everywhere. The children are playing in. Really enjoying it. Just found some graffiti from 1962 on here, carved into this tree.
No way. Mum.
Henry!
Yeah.
This is where they hit their treasure! On this on the sand!
60 years ago.
Well, it is not such a nice day today. It's raining. It was so nice when we went to the Bluebell place, but it's miserable today. But I've come out here to water the things in my greenhouse, which it's always too easy to forget that when it's raining, isn't it? But I have to remember that stuff in the greenhouse still needs watering, so that's what I've come out here to do. I had to take my basil plants out of here though, that you saw me sorting out in the last vlog, because it was way too hot in here and they were starting to die. But now that I've got some outside and I've got some on the kitchen windowsill, they're doing really well and growing very nicely. So in here I've just got my melon plants, they're cantaloupe melons, and they are looking like they're growing quite well. I'll show you those. These are the cantaloupe melons. So they'll be transferred into pots soon, and then I've got lots of tomato seedlings and they need to be separated and put into pots as well. The sunflowers have all come up. This lot over here are sweet peas. They haven't come up yet. And all these are sunflowers, and they'll be ready to go outside soon. You okay, Wilf?
Yeah, I love outside.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
Yeah, and it's raining, isn't it?
Yeah. But how did it drop this fall?
There's a drip coming through the roof, isn't there?
Can't believe some of the window smashed.
It's not smashed. It's just where the window is. It's just dripping through.
Did you open
Yeah, that's it. That's all that I've got in here at the moment again. So I need to start growing some other stuff. But here are the basil plants outside. See, they're perking up now that they've been put outside. They look a lot nicer. I think they're going to be just fine. What is Wilf is just showing me that there's loads and loads of crows flying about. They've all gone crazy about something.
Look over there.
Yeah, I can see them. All the crows.
Oh, Mama.
Yeah.
Look.
It's not. And I'm honestly not sure that the fertile eggs that I bought are going to hatch, because yesterday the chickens abandoned them for a few hours, so I don't think they're going to hatch, which is a shame because they only had a few days left. Never mind, so that experiment didn't work. It's another day, and today behind me you can see I'm just trying to film another video. This is going to be a separate video. I'm filming how I bake my sourdough bread, which a few people have requested, and I just thought I'd film that as a separate video to this vlog because some people might just want to watch that and not a whole vlog, so I'm trying to do that. And now I'm just beginning breakfast. It's Friday today. So Friday means pancakes. We have sourdough pancakes on Fridays. That's one of our new traditions that I'm trying to stick to because I like to have a nice routine of different things going on during the week, and that's one of the things. So Friday we have our sourdough pancakes and then we have our movie night this evening. So it just makes it a good start for the weekend. Everyone feels excited about the weekend in this house because of that. So yeah, I'm just going to get started with making these sourdough pancakes. rest for a little while, get a bit bubbly, while the skillets get nice and hot. So they're just heating up over here. And that is the sourdough recipe, sourdough pancake recipe that I've been using for many years. I think I got that from Lisa's blog, Farmhouse on Boone. I think that was the one. So yeah, check out that blog if you want to see more of her recipes. And you see that's nice and bubbly now, so I'm going to start making the pancakes. And this is for 7 people this morning, so really I need to start doubling the quantity because we like to eat a lot of them and we never seem to have enough. So next week I'm probably going to start to double this recipe. This morning. They're showing up quite dark on camera, but they are a lovely golden colour. And so yummy pancakes all ready. William loves them. Don't you, William? You love them. Oh, is it good? I get out your mouth. Is that nice? Now breakfast is finished and William is a bit happier, aren't you? You stopped crying for a bit because he was a bit hungry, I think, but now he's had his sourdough pancakes, he's happy. Everyone's happy. So I just need to do some homeschool, and also today what I really need to do is finish transplanting my plants, my little seedlings, because I have got loads and loads and loads of tomato seedlings which have come up. The packet said, I think the packet said that there were 75 seeds in there, but it looks like I've got a lot more than that, so that's good. But and I don't like to get rid of any, so I'm just trying to pot them all up at the moment. So I've run out of compost, that was what I was trying to say. Yesterday I did loads and ran out of compost, so I need to somehow get to a shop today and get some more compost. Don't I, Bubba? Didn't I? Yeah. If you're new around here, then you probably don't know that I try to do biodynamic gardening. I'm no expert and I've got a long way to go, but I am very intrigued by the whole biodynamic thing. It was a method of organic farming that was developed by Rudolf Steiner, and of course I do the Waldorf homeschooling, which he also developed, so it just follows along with that. And biodynamic gardening is organic gardening, but also taking into account the stages of the moon and things like that. Sounds a bit wacky, but it seems to work. Obviously the moon affects the tides and things like that, so it makes sense that it will also have an effect on plants. So yes, so different days have different strengths that you can use. So today and yesterday were root days, so today is a really good day to transplant your seedlings into bigger pots or out into the ground. Hang on, let me just turn that off. Because it's a root day, so their roots should theoretically develop nice and strongly, especially on root days. So I need to get that done today because, you know, I need to give myself every advantage when I'm trying to grow our food. I do have an app on my phone called, I think it's called Biodynamic and it tells you different things that you can be doing on that day that will be of great benefit if you do it on the right days. So I've used that, and I use another app called Moon Garden, and I just use both of those for free. You can pay more for extra things, but I just use them for free. So if you're interested, then you could have a look at those apps. Thank you.
Oh, Honey told me about those.
So
Oh, I love those.
we've got these moulds to make some little jelly sweets, and they're actually sweets that are going to be healthy for us. So
There's mushroom molds. Look, mushrooms.
we've got 4 moulds here, and they're cute little woodland themed moulds. So you've got toadstools and squirrels and bears and I don't know, different things like that. So no, we're not squishing any down. We're going to make the juice that goes in. We're going to do a pineapple flavoured one. So we just need
Some pineapple juice.
this pineapple juice
Some of you.
and the
Yeah, you
gelatin.
twist it off and then use
Don't touch.
Don't you twist it
So
off?
we've got this Ossa, I think that's how you say it, pasture raised gelatin, and yeah, that's all like really good for you. If you look on the Nourishing Traditions website, they tell you that these gelatin sweets are good for repairing the gut lining. They give you healthy hair, skin and nails, better production of stomach acid, good for your joints, help to balance your hormones. It's an easily digestible protein source, and they can help promote restful sleep. So yeah, they're really good actually for postpartum recovery as well. So it's very easy. All you need to do is heat up the juice and add some of the gelatin and dissolve it, and then put it in your moulds. Right, so we just need a little bit of water in here, filtered water, and let's heat it up. And then I'm going to dissolve some of this in,
I'm so happy.
and then warm that up.
What do you supposed to be?
So what you do is you just gently squeeze, wait.
Can I
This
try?
one, gently.
Okay. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, look at my ones. I did look, I did this one, this and this and this and this.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear.
We've let these cool down in the fridge for a little bit. It only took about half an hour because they're tiny. and I was worried that they wouldn't come out very well because some people say you need to spray the silicone moulds with oil first, but I didn't do that, I just put them straight in. But they are coming out really, really well. So I finally finished taking these out of the moulds, and we've eaten quite a few along the way. But what I noticed is the warmer that they got, the harder it was to take them out of the moulds. So I put them in the freezer for a bit, and then they were really easy to pop out. I did not manage to get any compost from the shop today. I'm going to have to go tomorrow because it's been so busy. So it's the next day now, and we have come out to the garden centre to get some compost. It's Saturday and it's busy, and I've got Henry and Scarlett and William with me, so hopefully we can manage to get a trolley, get the baby in and pick up some compost.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.